God bless you. God bless you, good people. Jitagwo Muhuthagira Jeff. Na muthenya wa umuthi ningenete ni tondu wa Ngai na ndirahupwo nawe ni akurathimite na agagwika maundu mega. Na umuthi ndirenda guka kwaria uhoro wigie ihiko na uhoro wigie micii na ndirenda guthie deep jarie uhoro wigie ngomanio. Topic ici ni turenda gukorwo tugicirehe thiini wa kiugo kia muoyo nigetha tuhote gu support marriage na makiria muno nginyagia kuri andu aria anini thiini wa kihiko. Ningiari uguo ndirari uhoro wa mundu ukoretwo wi over 15 years in marriage na ngakorwo ndi muthuri over 20-30 years. Oguo nindiramenya ni atia ndirauga na ngakiheo taukwo ni Ngai na ngagitiririo maguta. Koguo ningenete ni gukorwo tukiariria na inywe Ngai witu aromwika wega na aromutuga. Umuthi twina video tuona thiini wa mtandao na ni tukwenda gukahuthira nigetha kahote gutara kiugo kia muoyo. Turenda kwaria uhoro wa utheru kana kindu twitaga personal hygiene thiini wa bedroom na tukiaria maundu ma twaria uhoro wa mutumia na muthuri andu mahikanitie. Koguo we ungikorwo nduri muhiku, this is not your message. Ungikorwo we ni hindi urakuti muthuri waku kana mutumia waku, this is not your message. Eno ni message ya mutumia na muthuri andu me thiini wa kihiko, andu me thiini wa relationship. Muthenya wa umuthi turenda kwaria uhoro wa utheru thiini wa kihiko. Hena ka video tuona thiini wa mtandao na ka video kau gwiciria ni mwakona ndekira tu kanyamu kanini muno nigetha muhote ku understand, but tereke nyambe ndigekire ha nigetha muhote kuona, nigetha muhote ku understand ni atia mutumia uyu araria. Let's have a look at this.
He tutauro twitagwo twa mitwe-ini twa bedroom mafiu nduri Ngai muhuthiraga ki? O mutumia ni agirwo ni gukorwo na tutauro tou twa white tuthaka ati ona kungikorwo hena kaundu gatarathie wega ni ekunuti riria arahura tutauro tou. No rimwe mafiu ndimwiragira mwirutanirie mukene ndacoka ndona kiria mwahuthira nguithia ithi njoyai o mutumia ni ebange akorwo na tutauro twake twega tutheru twa white twa kuhuthira mitwe-ini nigetha mwakirikia kawama ri ugakiona kindu gia kuhuthira. Niki kiu uhuthagira na tubatie ni kuhurwo na twanikwo riua-ini na muthuri onake ni abatie ni kumenyaga haria turi nigetha wona aruta ukamenya umuthi Kawama no nginya tigai gucoka kunjonora ma ta makagurai tutauro twega na tuthaka na tukahurwo na tukanikwo tukaigwo twi tutheru. Rimwe nyonaga ta ingi mukiria hau na iboko na nyahunyu ndona kiria mwahuthira na inywe tigai gucoka kunjonora. Kuma umuthi tutauro ni twa white na tugurwo na tuhurwo na rimwe tukarindagwo na kajiki wega tukanikwo riua-ini tukoma ugatukunja wega ugaikara ta mutumia wibangaga.
Right, gwiciria ni mwaigwo uria mutumia ucio araria na uria arauga. Araturia atiriri, hihi weri uhuthagira ki riria mwathie gukenania we na mundu waku? Riria muri mathaida maria makuria bedroom ri arandaigua gigeta kawama riria murathie gwika kawama muhuthagira ki? First and foremost, andu ni makoragwo na all sort of things that they use. I hope gutiri mundu uthia kwihura na nguo yake iria ekirite, whether ni athiini kana ni iria gukomaga nayo. I hope that is not the case, you know, tondu it's not right, because undu ucio githie thiini wa igongona riu tondu rikorwo ri igongona, tondu ni Ngai wari amurire na ni Ngai werire mundu na mutumia wake ati they both were naked and not ashamed. Nindikanaga very well tugithie kindu twitagwo marriage counseling ya session. No korwo we nduri wagerera through marriage counseling na we muhiku, ni very important wambiririe guthie seminar cia kihiko tondu kumagira tu maundu thiini wa kihiko tukaga na ugakora ni urateithika ni tondu wa marriage counseling iria wekite pre-marital counseling niguo tumitaga na itwikaga andu ni very important nigetha kuhaririria andu aria marathie kuingira thiini wa kihiko nigetha mamenye ataru tu maundu tatutu ni important kumenya uhoro wa ati ni wagirire gukorwo na tutauru kuri andu mahuthagira kindu twitaga wet wipes na ti njoru no rimwe no irehe problem wa mbere tondu ndiuĩ kana wet wipes ciothe ni scented kana ni njikire whatever ndawa ciho cia gwituma inunge wega. That is what we mean by scented or not. Na mutumia ni ari kindu twitaga pH balance. Rimwe ungikorwo na ungihuthira indo cikoragwo cietagwo scented kana indo ciena miruki cikiritwo manukato na ki no ithukie kindu twitaga pH balance ya mutumia. Na pH balance ni very important thini wa mutumia, otherwise mutumia ucio angithie gukorwo ni pH balance yake ni athukana maundu make matikaraga wega. Riu tutiguka kwariria uhoro wa what happens no ndenda kuga ni kuri andu mahuthagira wet wipes. Koguo ko ni huthagira wet wipes, hakikisha wet wipes icio hitire na ndawa cikiritwo, they just free ni mai. You know, wet wipes ni kuri wet wipes ikagirwo mai, just water. Na water is good. Na nikio iguaga na atumia makirwo mundu atwe gwithamba, watu gwithamba nginyo no ngithamba na ku thiini ndwagiriire gwithamba na thabuni kana na wikire kaomo kanini kana wikire mathabuni ma kununga manukato wikire wabirie guthambia na ku uguo thiini. No, just mai me wiki ni maiganu na gutikaga atiriri vagina is self cleansing. No ni andu aria theru ni mendaga guthie beyond self cleansing, ugagitha ugakihariria wega no ugagithamba no ugagikorwo wi mundu mwega, no ndugathie kuhuthira wet wipes cina manukato. We wipes theru no uhuthire wipe njega ta uno ni wet wipe ino wet wipe no na igano hakuyo gatauro ni ndona ni clean na ni mai. This is water, ndiri na manukato ikiritwo ku kana kile kindu. Ino ni nyamu njega no uhuthire. Mutumia uyu uretwo originally ugwa rugo okondu we na gatauru tatauru tuturi mino tuko twina goro na ndwi na mbeca cia kugura ri na ni gatauru kamwe ne ringi no gakorwo karaima ciringi 10 na no hote kugura kinyamu ta giki giothe kia wipes na igana ri na kinyamu giki kina nyamu hakuhio igana ri. Nona wipe imwe igano. Koguo ci ni kindu ungihuthira kindu kiega kindu mukuhota gwika clean na kio na ni mai is just water. Make sure when you are using the wet wipe they are not scented na gutiri dawa cikiritwo, otherwise ni guthukia wewe ta mutumia ona muthuri bado na teno athuke. Mutumia arari uhoro wa niki muhuthagira riu ndako ndauga no uhuthire tutauru tatutu mutumia arauga tutu ni tu arauga tutauru ungihuthira they are soft and they are clean and ekuga horo wa white no na ungihuthira tagaka bado ni kega. You know, it's kind of pinkish. This is bluish. Gitumi kiria gigutumaga mutumia ucio ari uhoro wa twa white in particular ni tondu wa kindu twitaga guthera kana personal hygiene. Tondu ka white ni ukuhota kuona nginyo no ngoro ni ta uria gwa kihana na uria gwa githie na mundu angikorwo nginyagia ni ambiririe gukorwo na tumaundu nginyo ukuhota kumenya. Wona wahuthira kanyamu gaka warikia ni ukuhota kuona kana wi sawa kana nduri sawa. So no rigyo githie uhuthire ta gaka gatune kana ka brown kana ka grey, maybe ono ko ni kwambagiriria gwika maundu mangi no ukorwo no wage kuona. No ka white ni very clean na ni very clear na ni ukuhota kuona, so you'll be able to notice very quickly. But it doesn't mean that ka pink kana ka purple tikega, they are as good as purple, but whiteness is purely because of invisibility na gukorwo ukihota ukiona maundu very clearly. Koguo other cine kuri nyamu igitagwo intimate wipes. Icio ni purely made for gukorwo mahinda macio mado magikomania. Citagwo intimate wipes. They are purely made for that. Again, they are unscented and all that, and they are just as good as this, but they may be a little bit expensive. Koguo nikio turauga huthira kindu kiria uramenya ni cheap, ni ukuhota ku afford na ni kiega. Apart from that, ndugathie tu oe wambirie gwika maundu meho kuoya nguo citai na giko nguo itari theru woe wambirie kuiga. Those are very sensitive parts. Vagina na penis, they are very sensitive parts of the body na ndungithie kwihura na indo itari clean. Koguo na ko ne gatauru gaka na ni ka white, first and foremost make sure that ni clean na nduhuthirite maita meri ndugathi uhuthire rucini ningi uroke ningi hwaini no kwenda kuhuthira kana afternoon no kwenda kuhuthira ogo ni mrenda gukinya mahinda macio ningi no wona wakahuthira hindi imwe clean it wash it ndugu mutumia kugaga wanike njariũa-inĩ riu ngikorwo kiri kundu ta Europe kana kundu kwa heho again you can use a dryer or you can use air but make sure it's dry and again it's not too dry at kundu ginya ni gugutema. It's just dry but soft. Aduga kanino ni very soft. So it's very comfortable on your body na tinyamu igikuhara kana igwika atia. So it's very critical ukorwo ni uramenya we wita mutumia kana wita muthuri wina tutauru tu mutumia araria ni twega muno ni tondu wa gukorwo na comfortability na gukorwo ni wathera ni wahota we clean very well after kukika kawama kau mutumia arauga kana after ngomanio. Of course ndukae gugiciria ati gukihura na gatauru ati ni utheru na ni cleanliness because of course the most important thing is to go and have a bath or a shower, of course, because then you have running water that is going to make sure that you are clean and safe. But for the momentarily mahinda macio na andu ni magikomaga rimwe kana meri kana na maita matatu aria makiritwo mwana kana twiritu tunini gukorwo na wipe ni very very important kana gatauru kau nigetha ugagikorwo ikimenya you are decent. And I know ni muranyitani ate ndirauga nduri wet kana all that. Now of course during hidi ya ngomanio during hidi ya ngomanio you exchange fluids are exchanged riu kogwo it's very important for you to make sure ni watuika clean uri andu aria makiri mangihota kwa afford na ki riu kanya mutagaka ni kega muno urakona ugeta fem fresh akani kanya mwatumia mahuthagira urero ne intimate skin care, pure and fresh gentle intimate wash. Kogwo urero it is soap free and daily use. Ni kindu kiega uguthie uhuthire na eno ni oru ngikiteithia kwihurana na kuogwo intimate nigetha ndukae guthie uthukie pH balance yaku ure gukwera gaitagwo fem fresh. But of course they are different. This is just a make that we have here. There are different makes. What is important is ni wakorwo na kindu ungihuthira gia gwika atia gia guguteithia gutweka clean and fresh. Having said that, you don't have to use this. This is for people who've got, if you are able to afford it. But kido kile important in my just pure, my clean is just good enough. Personal hygiene ni kido very important thini wa kihiko. It is fundamental. Mutumia ni raithi muno. Uput muthuri waku off. Muthuri ni raithi muno. Uput mutumia waku off. Regina, well done for using this video, and I hope every woman has learned and every man has learned. But main the video no guthodekirwo atumia more understanding is very important gukorwo wina tutauru turia ungikorwo ukihuthira mahinda macio ma kawama kana ma ngomanio kana ma intimate time. It's very important you have flannels. No jita flannel shedo ni machihuthagira gwithamba maitho, ugwo, but you can also use them as long as they are clean. You can also use them when you are becoming intimate. So it's very important. And tutirakiuga ugikorwo na kambo kahuthagira kamwe maita mathathate bai tutiri expensive ugithini ukuhota kuona nginya a bundle ya 10 turendio ta igana kana magana meri. So it's not a problem. Ugeru definitely no thio guretwa ukorwo wina tu ta 15 kana 10 kana uginya 20 kurigana na uria ungikihota nigetha ugikorwo tika mora kihuthira every other minute wakahuthira kamwe ugacoka ni gukona mahinda ma guthambia na makome na kila kindu. Otherwise yes, kogwo hakikisha uko na enough. Just itanarikia video no rekenya be njuge ngomanio ni very clean na nikio turauga it is important we mwenyewe mutumia ukorwo very clean and very hygienic na we muthuri ukorwo very clean and very hygienic. Hati handu ngomanio koragwo na giko kana ina magihi. Whatever is coming out of the man and whatever is coming out of the woman is very clean and very hygienic. Na ni kuri andu maugaga mena magigi ni na digirike ona tungirike ta igihuthira katauru kau ndingihota gugathambia ni kuigwa thithi. No. Ngomanio ni very clean and very hygienic. Na ni undu murathime as long as ureka maundu macio wena muthuri waku ti kwagana uragana. Okorwo wena jangirina na kuuja kana maundu ureka maundu matagirire then macio nimo mehia. No ngikorwo reka this in the confine of your home kana in your private area, in private time, we na muthuri waku, we na mutumia waku, it is clean, it is blessed, it is as good as number one thing. Koguo ndukanaigwe thithi kana guoya kana ki gukorwo ati ni urathi guthambia gatauru kau. Na ugikorwo we ukire mundu wa thithire, then ndukihuthira wipes, ndukihuthira wet wipes nigetha icio wakirikia ri to gwikio gwikia. No nawe ugikorwo wina mbeca. The advantage ya gatauru mona mwarikio ra mureka mwakirikia gukena ri, ndu no guthambia na kome, na no uhuthire afternoon kana rucio, no kena next year. The problem with wet wipes is that you have to keep buying them. Koguo haha turari uhoro wa sustainability na affordability. Riu koguo Ngai witu amurathime na mwike wega, amuhirire ihiko, amwende na amuhe grace. Na nige wega kuhoera ngomanio yanyu. Ndukae gwiciria uria muhoyagira irio ona ngomanio ni hoyagirwo. Hoyagira muthuri waku akwende, tondu kugia na muthuri is one thing, ukwenda is another thing. Anyway, this is a topic by itself. Hoyagira mutumia waku agakoragwo ni arakena riria mwena ngomanio, muthuri waku agakoragwo ni arakena. But this is a big topic that we are going to come and deal with it. But orio hoyagira irio kana thabari ona ngomanio ni hoyagirwo. Ndukae gwiciria tu no guthi hau mundu ni ahoyaga nginya understand kumenya mutumia waku, kumenya muthuri waku. Anyway, this is not the topic for today. Tukwenda kwaria uhoro wa kiria andu mahuthagira magikomania. Thengiũ muno Regina ntondu wa gutuheka video kau tuhuthire nigetha tu teach thini wa kiugo kia muoyo. Ngai witu amurathi, mutikariganirwo gu subscribe, na ungikora video no thini wa Facebook ufollow, wamena thini wa TikTok please follow the page. Ngai witu amurathi, mena mwike wega. We'll see you in the next one.